or my parents have always encouraged us, my brother and me, I have a younger brother, to study and participate in things that aren't necessarily just what we do or what we associate with. And so I remember when I was actually applying for colleges, and I came and interviewed at Smith and Mount Holyoke, and I said, they ask you what your intended major might be, and I said, English or comparative literature and maybe Jewish studies, and they always asked me why, and I was like, well, I just want to, I can learn about white Anglo-Saxon Protestant things, or in Massachusetts also Catholic, obviously, a big population there, kind of just from osmosis from a lot of American culture. So why, I'd like to learn about something other than what I am, because I can learn about myself by being myself. So, I just kind of a mentality that I've been raised with, to try something else and just learn about different parts of either American culture, or if people consider it un-American, not American culture, or something else, what other people want to call it.